Tinnitus relief naturally, a safer way to treat tinnitus. A lot of people are suffering from tinnitus, and this can be attributed to a lot of different causes. The most common cause for this condition is exposure to excessively loud noises or damage to the head or brain. It can also be caused by too much stress, or it can be an underlying symptom for a much more serious health problem. The good news is, there is no need to rely on medications for treatment because there are already tinnitus relief naturally available. Tinnitus is not a serious medical condition, although people suffering from it experience an annoying ringing sound they can hear all throughout the day. Tinnitus can also be heard in the form of buzzing, hissing, or a swishing sound. It can also be caused by reactions to certain medications. Although it doesn't pose any serious risk to the patient's health, it can reduce the ability of the person to concentrate. There are tinnitus natural cures, and surely, they will have no negative side effects on the person's health. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Natural treatment for tinnitus. There are many treatments available for tinnitus, and although they will not get rid of the ringing sound permanently, at least they can provide temporary relief to the person using them. Proper diet is one of the first tinnitus natural cures that should be followed. A healthy lifestyle can prevent tinnitus, and not only that, but it can also prolong the person's life. Certain vitamins should be incorporated in the daily diet as well. Blood pressure also plays a vital role in causing tinnitus. Abnormal blood flow can increase the pressure in the internal ear, thus causing the ringing sound. Blood circulation should be improved, and this can be done by chewing on dried fruits. Massaging the ears is also another one of the tinnitus natural cures that is very effective in relieving the annoying noise caused by tinnitus. Another easy remedy anybody can do is by wearing earplugs when exposed to loud noises, because it can prevent the hair cells inside the ears from being damaged. Relaxing and reducing stress is also an effective way of curing tinnitus and reducing the possibility of it occurring. There are also herbs that are effective in relieving tinnitus. One effective natural remedy patients can take is the ginkgo biloba. It has been used by the Chinese for thousands of years, and it never fails to be effective. It also offers many health benefits, such as restoring the circulatory system. Aside from the tinnitus natural cures that are available, there are also preventive measures that a person can do to avoid suffering from tinnitus. Proper diet should always be observed. Foods that are high in sugar, high levels of cholesterol and saturated fats, and too much salt should always be avoided. Dairy products and processed foods can also trigger tinnitus, and it will be much better if these are avoided. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tips, subscribe the channel.